This video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a small little utility torch from the company Bernzomatic, maybe is how you would say that. You can see it right there on the packaging. Outdoor utility torch. I have been using this thing, by the way, and it is awesome. It's got a trigger start. It's got the flame control button right here. It goes on 16 ounce to 14 ounce. I think that's what this one is. This is the 16 ounce cartridge, but it also goes on those long kind of slender ones. And if the flame pattern, you can kind of see right here, the trigger. Let me just show you how this thing works. We'll unscrew it here. It just fits on any normal propane bottle. I like these Coleman, all-purpose propane, and it's got the fitting right here like this. You just screw it on, let it go down, and then there's an off, turn it on, and then trigger button. Look at that flame, everybody. Turn it all the way up. I usually run it about right there. You can adjust it if you want to go a little lower with it. See how I can keep, let's see. There we go. If I just want to go lower with it and I'm just burning something. This is great for kind of like soldering any type of like pipes, whether you're doing any type of plumbing and you just want to like solder the pipes, or I like the brass pipes, or if you're trying to, like me, where I got into Moses for starting fires or starting like barbecues and stuff. These things are extremely handy when camping and you can't get something started. Just sit there and burn it for a while and you'll get even wet wood started on that. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Bernzomatic, small utility torch. See you all in the next video.